I will explain how to use TaskMagic to scrape only the text within a blog page, as requested by some of you previously. I was able to scrape using TaskMagic, but when I tried to scrape the contents of the page, while it was possible to perform web scraping using TaskMagic, it sometimes ended up picking up HTML elements along with the desired text content. So today, I will show you how to scrape only the text. First, open TaskMagic, and click on Browser Recording. I won't add cookies. Then the window will open. In the URL area of this page, I'm going to paste the URL of my blog article as a sample. I will use this article for demonstration purposes. This is my blog article URL. Copy the URL and paste it into step 1's Go to Page. Then save it. Now let's perform the scraping within this step. Click Scrape Single, and choose any part of the page to scrape. We'll try scraping the title for now. Then click Confirm. Next, there's one more thing I'd like you to do. Click on the three-dot menu and select Advanced Settings. Then click Keep Formatting. Then save it. Click on the three-dot menu again and choose Update Selectors. In this step, delete any existing selectors and clear all pre-filled data fields. Instead, replace them with Body as a new selector. Type Body, input this selector, and specify an XPath for it. It's very simple. Then click the Save button. Done. Next, you need to input the URL of your Google Sheet where you want to send this scraped data. So click the Google Sheet settings. Then copy the URL of your Google Spreadsheet and paste it in the area where you want to enter the URL of the sheet. Select the worksheet name. If everything looks good in the header name, save changes. What you can do with this is to create a scraping automation that is highly versatile. These settings create versatile automation to extract text from most web pages. Let's actually start it. Click Play Steps. I will open the URL of the Google Spreadsheet. As you can see, my blog article's content has been successfully scraped, with no unnecessary HTML elements included. Since I'm using Body, there are related articles in it. The text is being properly extracted. However, because we're using Body as our selector, some unrelated content might be included as well. But that's the trade-off for having a more versatile automation. Use more specific selectors if this method still scrapes unwanted content. If you do that, you can't use it on other web pages. So this time I'm using Body. I'm going to try to see if this automatic format can be used on other pages. Copy the URL of this Wikipedia and save it. Let's try to see if we can scrape this Wikipedia content. Click Play Steps. The scrap was done and it was exported to the Google Sheet. The Wikipedia content has been successfully scraped and exported to our Google Sheet. The text is fully extracted. By changing the content of the selector in TaskMagic and making it simple like this, you can use it to a certain extent. I think you can obtain the contents of all web pages with this, so please try it. If you find that this method still scrapes some unwanted content, you may need to use more specific selectors instead of a generic one like Body. Don't forget to set a check mark in the advanced settings to keep formatting from being corrupted. If you forget this, the automatic format will not work. Let's try it with this off. Click Play Steps. I'll try scraping Wikipedia again. It has even scraped extra parts of the page. The formatting is broken, right? Just remember not to forget about enabling Keep Formatting in advanced settings. Otherwise, your automation won't work as expected. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for joining me.